Once upon a time, in a small village near a forest, there lived two close friends, Ravi and Amit. They always claimed to be best friends and promised to help each other in every situation. One sunny morning, they decided to go on an adventure through the nearby deep forest. As they walked, they talked and laughed, dreaming of exploring nature and finding something exciting. Before they entered the forest, an old man warned them, "Be careful, boys. Wild animals live there. Stay together no matter what happens." The two friends smiled and said, "Don't worry, we're best friends. We'll take care of each other." As they walked deeper into the forest, the trees grew taller and the sunlight faded. Suddenly, they heard a loud noise, the growl of a bear. To their shock, a huge brown bear appeared from behind the bushes, walking slowly toward them. Ravi, without thinking, quickly climbed up a nearby tree. He didn't even look back at Amit. Amit didn't know how to climb trees. He was terrified but remembered that bears don't attack dead animals. So he immediately lay down on the ground, closed his eyes, and held his breath, pretending to be dead. The bear came closer to Amit. It sniffed around his head, his ears, and even near his nose. Amit stayed completely still, not even blinking. After a moment, the bear grunted softly and slowly walked away into the forest. When the bear was gone, Ravi climbed down the tree, laughed nervously, and said, "That was close. I saw the bear come near you. It looked like he whispered something in your ear." "What did he say?" Amit stood up, brushed the dust off his clothes, and looked at his so-called friend. He said calmly, "Yes, the bear gave me a message," he said. "Never trust a friend who leaves you when you're in danger." Ravi felt ashamed. He had saved himself and left his friend behind. From that day, Amit understood who his true friend really was. Moral of the story: a true friend is one who stands by you in difficult times. Jo duk mein sath de, wahi sacha dost hota hai.